Hi, ladies. It's Sylvia here. Today, I'm going to be talking about everything weight loss, weight loss tips, especially for beginners. If you fall into the category of ladies that want to release excess weight, you found out that probably you have a health reason to do that, or you're losing energy, you're not as energetic as you want to be, and it's affecting your self-confidence. You're having low self-esteem, and it's not allowing you to go out there and be the best version of you, to show up as you want to show up. This is one of the things that we're going to be discussing today, the weight loss tips that you would require to move from where you are now, to where you want to be. And that leads me to the first tip, your mindset. One thing you should know, one thing you should do before you start anything about losing weight is finding out why you really want to lose weight. I mean, putting yourself, first of all, embracing the pain of where you are. Like, why do you want to lose weight? When you embrace the pain of where you are, you don't have energy, you don't have much energy, you feel very bloated, you feel like you're not being the best that you want to be, you're not being out there, you're not doing exactly what you want to do because you feel a bit hindered. When you put it in perspective of why you want to go on that journey of releasing the excess weight, and then not just seeing the pain and seeing where you are right now, but seeing where you want to go to, looking at the kind of lifestyle you want to have in the future, looking at you, full of energy, doing all that you want to do, all that you have been created to do, being the best of you, showing up and with all confidence, and just, you know, shining your light wherever you are, because you are full of energy and full of life and you're vibrant. When you see yourself in that state, um, you know that it is possible. You're elevating your thinking to see the preferred future, to see the future that you want. And it helps you walk from point A, the pain and where you are now, the present reality now, to the future where who you really want to be, and that is one key thing the mindset shift does for you, because when you have painted that picture for yourself, you're able to withstand everything that you need to withstand. You're able to walk from point A to point B. And one way of doing this is being, elevating your thinking. And how do you elevate your thinking? Being grateful, expressing gratitude. And when you wake up in the morning and you think about everything that is wrong with you, you think about the pain, and you think about the loss of energy and all the things that are wrong, you won't look forward to starting your day. You're starting your day on a wrong foot, because you're thinking about the pain. But when you think about one at least one thing you're grateful for, it helps you, it elevates your thinking, it helps you to look forward to a brighter future, it helps you to take the right steps to make sure that you reach the future that you want to. When you express gratitude, you can move from point A to point B. Mindset is the key thing for you to walk through, take the steps, walk through the journey of going from point A to point B. Second thing I always talk about um, is journaling, because with journaling you bring out everything, you lay down everything on the table, and you're not clogged, your mind is not clogged with a lot of things, because you write it down. And sometimes when you journal like that, you find out that some things you're saying, or some things that you thought were true, as soon as you put a pen, pen to paper and write it down, you realize, why was I thinking like this in the first place? It helps you to paint a better picture of how things really are. And in that way, your mind is not clogged with a lot of clutter, but you are decluttering your mind. And that is what I call journaling, decluttering the mind and putting it in a place where you know that when I want to go back to it, I can go back to it. It helps you to think better. It elevates your thinking, and it helps you to look forward to a better future. So that's one key. I tell you, as if you really want to release excess weight, you need to take care of your mindset. And that is very key. One being, expressing gratitude is a way to make sure that, to take care of your mindset. Journaling, is another way for you to relieve the stress, and make sure that you're thinking right. It helps you to think in the right, have the right frame of mind and think properly. And so that is one. The second thing I want to talk about is your priorities, getting the priorities right. When you decide that you want to release the excess weight, you have to get the priorities right. You have to get healthy to release the weight. You don't, you get healthy to lose the weight. You don't lose the weight to get healthy. Some people go on a fat diet, and they're like, oh, I just want to lose all the weight. And once I've lost the weight, then I'll think about how to maintain the weight. But that's why when you lose the weight, you gain it all back again, because you've done it the wrong way. But when you get healthy to lose the weight, when your focus is on being healthy, and forming that healthy lifestyle, forming the habits for your healthy lifestyle, the weight drops. As in, the thing we should know is that the weight is just a symptom, it's not the cause. The weight is a symptom. When you live on a high processed diet, you're not taking care of your body. But when you want to get healthy, because your body really wants to lose the weight, it wants you to nourish your body so that you can release the weight. But when your mind is about releasing the weight, and you look at the scales, and the scale, the weight stays the same, you're not motivated anymore, and you stop doing all the things you're doing. But when your mind is about being healthy, no matter what happens, you're just aiming at being healthy, having that healthy lifestyle, nourishing your body, getting hydrated, you know, um, taking care of yourself, making sure you're not stressed, you're not in a stress mode, you're not acting in a stress mode. All these things helps you to form that healthy lifestyle, which eventually releases the weight. The next thing I'll talk about, which is linked also to the healthy lifestyle, is, exercising. I know this could be a swear word for some people, because you don't see yourself as someone that exercises, but I can definitely tell you that if you have a growth mindset, you can go from no exercising to exercising regularly. It is so achievable. It is so achievable. I know that for sure. And it just takes you to make that conscious decision that you want to start exercising, and you see that you go from no exercising to regular exercising. So I would say, for someone that wants to lose weight, you need to get the priority right. First of all, you need to get your mindset right. You need to express gratitude, and you need to declutter your mind by journaling. These are mindset tips for you to get your mindset right. Your mindset has to be in the right place. You have to see the future you want, because if you don't see the where you're going to, you won't take the necessary steps to get there. And if you're wallowing in the present pain, and you're not seeing what is possible, you dwell in the present pain. So that is what gratitude does to you. It elevates you to see what is possible. And so that was first point. You're getting your mindset right. The second thing is getting your priorities right. These two key things are so important for you to see a long lasting weight loss, for you to release the weight and it's a thing of the past, not for you to release the weight and add it back on. You want to release the weight and let it go. So these two key things are so important for you to release it and let it go, because it's not part of you. Your body doesn't need it. Your body wants to be nourished. Your body is working together. Everything is working together for you to, to live the best life, and your body has been designed that way. It wants to release the excess weight. So when you get these two key things right, especially as a beginner that hasn't been, you're not used to the all diet, fat, all or nothing diet, fat diet. When you get these things right, it helps you to stay on the right track, get to your destination, as in releasing the excess weight and getting rid of it. You're not bringing it back because it's no longer part of you. You have a different lifestyle. You have a lifestyle that is nourishing your body, and you can see the result of nourishing your body. You can see your health improving. You can see your you can see the glow coming back. You can see your confidence coming back. You can see your lifestyle. You can see your future, right before your eyes. And that is one thing, that is one lovely thing about losing weight the right way. The you It's a symptom of your healthy lifestyle, and if we can get this right, I tell you, it is so so good. And I spoke about gratitude at the beginning as being one of the ways which you can release the excess weight, getting your mindset right. I have released a guided meditation for weight loss. I'm going to put it in the comment below so that you can, get get access to it and start using it to relieve your mind, start using it to get into that mindset, that right frame of mind that you need to get to, so that you can start taking actions to your goal. Yeah, I hope that was useful to you. um Another thing I would like to say is that I help ladies, purpose driven ladies. And why do I say that? Because it's the growth mindset that we're looking for, not the fixed mindset. If you know that it's possible for you to achieve your goal, I help purpose driven ladies that want to release the weight. I help them to, take control of their well-being so that they can let go, release the weight, feel great, get back their energy, and and their confidence. And this is what I help my help ladies do. So if you're interested as well, you can book a call with me so that we can talk about your journey towards achieving this. I have a 6 weeks program which I use to help ladies walk through this journey and get to the other side. So if you're interested in the 6 weeks program, or you're interested in the guided meditation, I'll put the link below, which you can sign up to and download it and use it as much as you want to. And if you're interested in booking a call with me so that you can know more about the 6 weeks program, I'll leave the link below as well. So I hope these tips were useful for you. I can't wait to hear from you and to know your journey and how far you have gone. And I can't wait to help you on this journey as well. See ya later.